Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to sign up on Binance using the mobile app, and how to trade futures, in a very easy and beginner-friendly way. First, I'll show you how to sign up on Binance. Please download the Binance app on your mobile phone. Once the download is complete, please open the app. To sign up, please tap Sign Up on the right side. Please enter your email address or mobile phone number. Please check the box to agree to the terms below. Then tap Continue. Next, a verification code will be sent to your email or mobile phone. So please enter the verification code you received. Now, please enter your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. Next, let's enter the inviter code. Please make sure to tap Yes. You will then be able to enter a referral ID. If you enter SKY222 here, you'll receive a 20% Binance trading fee discount and various bonus rewards, so please make sure to enter the code before signing up. Next, please proceed with KYC identity verification. To use peer-to-peer, trading, and withdrawal features on Binance, identity verification is required. First, please select your country. Next, select the ID you will use for identity verification. Here, you can see various types of document options. Most users usually choose a passport. To verify your ID, tap Take Pictures. Now, please place the information page of your passport within the camera frame and take a photo. Next, please proceed with facial verification. Please align your face within the on-screen frame, and follow a few actions as instructed. Then, your identity verification submission will be completed. The identity verification review usually takes about 1 hour, and after a short while, you'll be able to see that your verification has been completed. Let's set up Google Authenticator. Return to the home screen, and tap the Binance icon at the top left, then tap the arrow in the top right corner. Please tap Security. Please select the Authenticator app, and tap Enable. Please complete the email or mobile phone verification. Then, you'll see the Authenticator setup screen. First, copy the 16-digit key shown here. Next, please download Google Authenticator on your mobile phone. Once the download is complete, please open the app. First, tap the plus button at the bottom right. Then select Enter a setup key. Now, enter Binance as the code name, and paste the 16-digit Binance key you just copied into your key. Then tap Add. Then, a 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Copy this 6-digit code, then tap Next in the Binance app. Next, paste the copied 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code field. Then, the Authenticator app setup will be completed. Next, to trade futures on Binance, let's switch the app to Pro mode. Return to the Binance home screen, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner. If the button shows Binance Pro, tap it once to switch to Binance Pro mode. Then, the switch has been successfully completed. Next, I'll explain how to use Binance peer-to-peer trading. To deposit funds on Binance, you'll need to use peer-to-peer trading. First, tap Assets at the bottom right of the screen. As you can see, the Futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading, and the Spot wallet is used for spot trading and holding your main assets. Please tap Spot first, then select Add Funds. Here, you'll select several deposit methods available. I'll use peer-to-peer trading for this example. First, tap this button at the top right. Then, select the currency you want to trade. When you tap this button, you can choose the coin you want to purchase. Most users typically select USDT. Then, tap this button, you can enter the amount you want to trade. Tap this button, you can select your payment method. Then, you can see a list of advertisers below. I recommend choosing an advertiser with high trading volume and a high completion rate. Now, select the advertiser you want to buy from. Then, tap Buy. Some advertisers may require verification. Please enter the amount you want to purchase. Before making a purchase, please be sure to check the advertiser's info. Next, tap Place Order. Then, the advertiser's information and bank details will be displayed. Before making a deposit, be sure to check the chat. When making a deposit, please make sure that the account holder's name and account number match. Now, proceed with the deposit using your selected payment method. After completing the payment, please tap Upload Payment Proof. Please upload at least one payment proof. Next, please check the agreement box below, then tap Transferred, Notify Seller. Once the advertiser confirms it, you'll see the USDT deposited into your spot wallet shortly. Finally, I'll guide you through how to trade futures on Binance. First, before starting futures trading, you first need to transfer your coins from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Tap Spot Wallet, then tap Transfer. Transfer from Spot Wallet to USDM Futures. Select the coin to transfer, and enter the transfer amount. Then, after a moment, the USDT will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, tap Futures at the bottom right corner. Then, you'll be taken to the futures trading screen. Tap the section in the top left corner to select the coin you want to trade. I'll select BTC USDT. Tap this button to set the margin mode. Cross mode uses the entire margin balance to open a position. Isolated mode uses only part of your margin. If you're a beginner, I recommend the safer isolated mode. Tap this button to set the leverage. You can set leverage up to 150x. Higher leverage can lead to higher profits. It also comes with higher risk. For beginners, I recommend trading with low leverage. Now, select your position direction. If you think the coin price will go up, select Buy. If you think the coin price will go down, select Sell. Here, you can see your available margin. Below that, tap this button to select the order type. Select between limit and market orders. Here, you can set the order price and quantity. If you think the coin price will go up, select Buy Long. If you think the coin price will go down, select Sell Short. Next, tap the Positions button at the bottom, and you'll be able to see the status of your position. Here, ROI shows your rate of return. Entry price is the average price of your position. Mark price represents the current market reference price. The liquidation price is the price at which your position is automatically liquidated. Tap TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, to close your position, tap the Close button. Choose between Market Price Close or Limit Price Close. Enter the price and quantity, then tap Confirm. Then, your position will be closed. Today, I showed you how to sign up on Binance using the mobile app, from registration all the way to futures trading, in a very easy way. If you find anything difficult or have any questions, please leave a comment below. Your subscriptions and likes mean a lot to me and give me great support. Thanks for watching.